Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Are you looking to give your Android home screen a fresh, OS-inspired makeover? If so, you're in the right place. Today, we're exploring some of the best KWGT apps that bring the sleek and stylish look of iOS to your Android device. With customizable widgets that fit your personal style, these apps will help you create a stunning home screen experience. Let's jump in and discover how you can transform your device. IUI KWGT. IUI KWGT is a popular app designed to bring the sleek and modern design of iOS to Android devices. This app offers a wide array of customizable widgets inspired by iOS, allowing users to create a visually appealing home screen that mimics the aesthetic of Apple's operating system. IUI KWGT provides multiple widget styles, including clocks, calendars, and music players, all of which can be tailored to fit individual preferences. Users can easily adjust sizes, colors, and layouts, making it a versatile choice for anyone looking to personalize their Android experience while enjoying the charm of iOS design. iOS Glass KWGT iOS 26 Inspired. iOS Glass KWGT iOS 26 Inspired takes the iOS look a step further by introducing a glass effect to widgets, giving them a transparent and elegant appearance. This app features a collection of beautifully designed widgets that capture the essence of iOS 26, making it perfect for users who appreciate both aesthetics and functionality. The widgets include options for displaying time, weather, battery status, and more. Users can easily customize these widgets to match their home screen theme, ensuring a coherent and stylish look. With its unique glass effect and inspiration from the latest iOS design, this app is sure to elevate your home screen setup. Apple for KWGT. Apple for KWGT is another excellent choice for Android users who admire iOS design. This app provides a set of high-quality widgets that mimic the iconic look and feel of Apple's interface. Users can access a variety of widgets, including those for calendars, clocks, and shortcuts, all presented in an appealing and functional format. The app allows for customization, enabling users to change colors, sizes, and arrangements to fit their preferences. With its focus on delivering an authentic iOS-like experience, Apple for KWGT is ideal for those seeking to blend the functionality of Android with the elegance of iOS. Thank you for watching. We hope this overview of the best iOS-inspired KWGT apps inspires you to customize your Android home screen with style and elegance. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips and app recommendations. Which app are you excited to try out? Let us know in the comments below.